Merry Christmas! It's Christmas Day. Let's go open some presents. Yeah. Stocking presents first. Sadie, stocking. Alright, Noah, here's your stocking.
I got green. Yes, my favorite.
Daddy's stocking. Open it. I had to use another box.
Really? Like
Yes.
gel patches.
I had to use another box so you wouldn't find out what it was. Actually, my stocking present also, but he said it wouldn't fit in my stocking, which it doesn't. But let's see what's in here. Oh, face cake. Oh, nice. Oh, thanks, Dad. Skincare. Noah, Santa Claus came last night. Look, what's that say?
It says Santa Claus.
It says Santa Claus,
And have my name on it.
and it has your name on it.
Yeah. Top.
All right, open it. What did he get you? I wonder if he got it from your mailbox. Maybe he came from your mailbox and got your letter.
Box.
Oh!
Mommy. It's got most.
What else did Santa Claus get you?
More stick board. Dino stick board.
Let me see. Whoa!
It's a floss wrapper's wood.
Oh wow, you got what you wanted.
Yeah.
Oh, she's going after her presents. Wow! Can you get it, Sadie? Awesome!
Let's open this one.
What'd you get, Sadie? And look, you also got one from Santa Claus. Open this one. Open box.
I want to open this box. Mommy.
Yay!
This box.
Wow! Yeah, more right there. You got it, Sadie?
I got it.
Whoa! Let me see, Noah. Come here. Oh, that's what Santa got you?
Yeah.
Ooh!
Wrappers.
Shoes!
get me one. How do you know which one to get me?
I didn't, I guess.
Mommy.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Mommy.
Mommy's Christmas box. I don't know what it is. It's really long. There's a box inside the big box. Let's see what he got. Oh, I love it. It's a new vacuum cleaner. Ah, look at all its multi-use. Noah, what are you doing your skip box? You putting under the table? Whoa!
This guy will actually lose his mouth.
Oh, so you like Santa Claus's gifts?
Yes.
This is a really cool stocking stuffer. It's the Walter and Ray Bendy Man. It's a flashlight and a device holder. Look at all the things it does.
And how it lights up.
And look how it bends. Noah put the Grinch on his, but you literally just bend it and then you put your phone or your tablet or your cords, keys, anything. Nifty. And to turn the light on, you just push on and woo! The aftermath of opening all the Christmas presents. Now we get to clean up. Now it's time to sit back and relax until it's time to go to our family's house. With all your Christmas presents. Ooh, look at all your little action figures.
You even take off his arms.
Oh, that's cool. Time to pack all these gifts in here. Hopefully it fits. So I managed to fill up this bag full of presents down here, all the way down there, but I still have so much more to go, so now I need to look for another bag to stuff these.
Yeah.
Yay, problem solved. This is actually a pretty big bag. All packed and ready to go. Alright, now it's time to head over to our family's house. So we're here and we had to hide all the presents in another room so the kids wouldn't go after it, but look, check out the room. Look at all of the presents. Oh my goodness. My favorite fried corn! Yay! We even have a hot chocolate bar!
And Hunter's like, he's like that funniest thing in the world.
There's Sadie! She's about to go down the slide!
Whoa!
Hi, Hunter!
Oh, they're
And look at Noah! Hunter and Sadie are matching! Oh, and he's playing with his woo 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 train.
That's supposed to be his choo-choo noise.
I'm here with my two nieces. There's the older one and the youngest. Merry Christmas, Mom! We're matching! Merry Christmas, Dad! Hi, sister! Merry Christmas! Hey, we kind of match! Merry Christmas!
Happy holidays.
Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! Love you guys! Time to eat! Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas.
That is so not your Get this pretty backdrop! Look who's slaving away!
So we got some sprinkles, and we're gonna make an ugly sweater contest. Are you gonna win? Yeah? High five. We're gonna be the winners.
Noah's making his sweater cookie.
That's it, big.
Oh, look at this little small thing. Secret green.
Yeah, it's a diffuser.
Aromatherapy. Number 3.
Number 3. What do you got picked?
I'll take it. I'll pick it. Man, you like penguins? I got one.
Stolen, so now I get to pick another one.
Yes, you have to go to the end again. Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
You got the best. You got the best one.
Oh! Sparkle!
It's a red.
Who's next? Who's next?
No, it's a spotted color.
There you go. Pick, right?
So let you do this?
Nice!
Live well, baby.
Stolen! It's the third time!
He's still back though. He gets picked at the end.
She got the 9.
It's okay. Look. Hey, look. It's going right here.
Second time she got stolen. What you want? Alright guys, so it's getting a little bit loud and hectic outside, so I had to run into another room, but we're about to give out all the presents, and that's going to be the end of today's video, guys. I'm going to spend time with my family. I love you guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. Make sure to follow me on Instagram and Twitter at OMGSTiffany24. Bye guys. Love you.